Production begins with carefully controlled, highly refined petroleum-derived ingredients.
Before entering production, every batch is tested to verify its required quality and purity.
Controlled heat gradually transforms the refined ingredients into a workable molten mixture. Powerful controlled mixing combines the ingredients into a uniform petroleum jelly base. Vacuum processing helps remove trapped air and creates a smoother finished texture.
Carefully controlled processing develops the smooth, characteristic petroleum jelly consistency. The warm mixture passes through fine filtration before moving to the next processing stage.
After filtration, the material has a smooth and highly uniform appearance. Controlled cooling brings the jelly to the consistency required for filling.
Once the desired consistency is achieved, the finished jelly moves directly toward packaging.
Precision nozzles dispense the thick jelly directly into each container. At full production speed, multiple precision nozzles fill hundreds of jars simultaneously. After filling, the smooth jelly settles before each jar is sealed. The matching blue lids are automatically oriented and delivered to the capping line. Automated applicators place the product label precisely onto every jar. The sealed container is now ready for final labeling and inspection.
Final quality checks examine both the finished package and the product itself.
Once inspection is complete, the finished jars enter the final packaging stage. Automated systems pack the products into cartons, seal each shipment, and rapidly stack the cartons onto pallets.
Finished products are stored in organized distribution warehouses before shipment.